Hey everyone, ready to seriously upgrade your kitchen game for 2025? Today, I'm diving into 5 awesome smart kitchen gadgets from Amazon that are total game changers. These finds will save you time, cut down on hassles, and just make your kitchen way cooler. Let's get right into it. First up, let's banish those nasty sink clogs for good. The Wader Rotatable Kitchen Sink Strainer, Brown 14.99, is a lifesaver. It comes with 100 mesh bags to catch all that gunk, keeping your pipes clear. And get this, the frame actually rotates 90 degrees to become a handy towel rack. Super smart for saving space and keeping things tidy. For a cleaner, more organized sink in 2025, this black strainer is a must-have. Tired of plumbing headaches? Grab the Wader Sink Strainer, link number 1 in the description. Next, let's talk trash, but make it touchless and smart. The call to point-to-gallon automatic touchless garbage cans, you get a 2-pack for around $29.99, which is a sweet deal, especially with that 40% off. These are perfect for your kitchen, bathroom, or even a home office. Just wave your hand, and the lid pops open thanks to the motion sensor. It seals in odors tight and is waterproof. You will need 2A batteries for each, but trust me, it's worth it for a cleaner, more hygienic space. Upgrade to hands-free, odor-free waste disposal. The Call touchless trash cans are linked as number 2. Still wrestling with those old-school can openers? It's 2025, folks. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener, about $29.99, is here to make your life so much easier. This thing is amazing. Just pop it on the can, press the button, and yes, you can open it hands-free. It cuts along the side of the can, leaving a smooth, safe edge, no more sharp surprises. It's a total breeze to use, especially if you've got hand issues or just want pure convenience. Open cans effortlessly and safely. The Kitchen Mama is link number 3 below. Seriously, you need this. Alright, a sharp knife is key in the kitchen, but sharpening can be a pain. Not anymore. This out-rolling knife sharpener kit, around $40.99, makes getting a razor-sharp edge ridiculously easy. It uses industrial diamond sharpening discs. The best part, magnetic angle guides for 15 or 20 degrees, perfect for everything from delicate slicing to heavy-duty chopping. Just attach your knife and roll. You'll get professional results without any guesswork. Plus, it looks pretty slick with that wooden base. Keep your knives performing like new with zero fuss. This out-rolling sharpener is link number 4. And finally, for all you coffee and tea lovers out there, say goodbye to cold drinks with the House Gem 36 Coffee Mug Warmer for around $24.69, and look out for that extra 15% coupon. This is a desk side or kitchen counter hero. You can pick your perfect temperature, 130, 150, or a toasty 176 Fahrenheit, all shown on the display. It's got an auto shut-off timer you can set from 2 to 12 hours for peace of mind, and it fits most mugs. Keep your favorite drink perfectly warm, sip after sip. Never suffer a cold brew again. The House Gem Mug Warmer is your cozy companion, link number 5 in the description. So there you have it, 5 awesome smart kitchen gadgets to really level up your 2025 kitchen. All product links are in the description, check them out. Using them helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, which I really appreciate. Which gadget was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you like this, hit like, subscribe for more, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, knock the roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you've been doing my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from myself.